Learn how to check the reviews and statistics of a course. Go to the website of the tool. You will be directed to the homepage where you can log in. If this is your first time accessing the tool, log in with your MyAcademic ID or create one by first selecting your institution and then filling out your login. Once you are registered, you are redirected to My Evaluations. Here you can find the list of courses of your finalized online learning agreements. Use the top left menu and access all evaluations to browse through evaluations from courses you want to apply for. Find specific courses by entering the exact course title or the course code. Be sure to switch to Search by Course Code using the button below. Select a course you want to view the evaluation data of and click on the course. You are now able to see the evaluation results. The evaluation results are presented per theme in a list. Click on a theme bar to open the results. Be sure to scroll all the way down to not miss anything. All outcomes per statement per topic are presented here. Statements are answered with 5 different answer options. The numbers in the bars show the number of students that chose this answer option.